I have the Copilot license. Let's see how we can use Word and Copilot to generate information and then visualize it as a table. I'm in Microsoft Word and I can use the Copilot button on the home ribbon, or I can try the shortcut Alt+I to draft with Copilot. I've got a prompt ready. Write a simple list of pros and cons for having a Power BI license, and I'm asking it to use headings and titles, which are referring to the built-in styles inside Microsoft Word. So use headings, titles and bullet points as appropriate. So I'm actually looking for a structured document. Let's generate and see what happens. Great, so it's got a heading, it's got some nice bullet points, we've got the pros at the top and underneath the cons. This is great. Of course I'll need to proofread it and add my own touch if I want to use this information, but I'm happy enough as a starting point. I'd actually now like to visualize this as a table. So let's select the pros and cons. I'm just using the white arrow to drag down the left-hand side of the margin, and I'll use the in-canvas Copilot icon here and choose to visualize this information as a table. So it's not going to delete what's there already, it will simply put a table underneath, and I can decide if I like to keep that or not. Now it's your turn. What are you going to create with Word and Copilot?